I will show you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. So first things first, you need to make sure that your is readily available. Make sure to unlock your domain when you log into your GoDaddy. So get that EPP or auth code. You can request for it from GoDaddy. Once you have done that, make sure that you're eligible. Ensure that your domain has been registered for at least 60 days and it's not in pending status. So initiate the transfer on Hostinger by visiting the Hostinger transfer domain page and enter a domain name and clicking on transfer. Once you have done that, enter the EVP code and choose Ning server options. Proceed with payment for the transfer. Check your email for a confirmation from Hostinger and then follow the instruction. And make sure to have patience because this transfer can take up to 7 days, but you'll receive updates on the progress. So that's how you transfer domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. Hope you helped.